Welcome to Classic Klondike Solitaire. Gonna play this game, not gonna edit it. And this should be interesting. There's a lot of interesting moves here, and we'll see what we can do. I typically like to save stuff from the draw pile for insurance, but we'll see how this goes. Obviously gonna play these cards out here. 5, 4, and then we can play the 7. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play these two kings and then see what's underneath. There is a 7, 6. That's an interesting variation. Okay, 7, 6, and a jack. Try the other variation here, and that's... Oh, yeah, we'll see. Try to remember those there. Okay, deuce, 3. We can play the 3. I typically don't like to play the low cards. Sometimes you can play them, and sometimes you have to go back. There's another king in the pile there, or the draw pile there. That's interesting. You can play his queen. And nothing there. Oh, we can play queen, and we can play the jack. That's good, because if we can get some 10s, we can move around some of these cards here. 5 can be played. Now, if there's another black 5 underneath that I missed earlier, I would take that back. So, don't see one yet. So, yeah, if we can get to the 10-9s, we should be able to get most of this out of the way. There's a jack. We'll just play that. And let's see here. Oh, good. We can move an ace. That's always good to move an ace up top. Go through again. And let's see. We have to figure out a way to get this black 9. So we'll need a red 10. I don't know if there's a red 10. We'll see here. Oh, that's a good card. And let's go. Oh, that's a black 10. No red 10. Oh, this is good. This is good because we can move this pile right here. And let's see if I can remember what. There were two different cards underneath here. One was a 7. 7, 6, 4, 3. Oh, boy. Okay, that's an interesting variation, and that was just the 3 and the 2. Okay. Alright, gonna hold off on this move, just see what else is out there. Maybe making the move later. I want to play the 3, I'm gonna hold off, because you can always come back and play it later. There is the red 10, the big red 10 that we need. That is a huge card for us. And that's going to allow us to do some things later on. So we're going to go through again. And now we can play this 9. But I'm going to see what other moves are there. I'm going to hold off on that king. I don't think there's any queens in this pile if I remember correctly. There's another black 9. It's the second black 9 in the draw pile. I would not play it. If there's 2, I always play the one that's first. Because it allows you to move the draw, manipulate the draw pile, and gives you more moves. So, okay, going to play this 9. There is no... Let's see. Oh, there's an ace underneath. Oh, great. Okay. Going to play this 8, and now the fun begins. Going to pull the 3 down so we can move this 2, and then we can move that. Oh, another king. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, great. That's a great card for us, the ace. It allows us to move some stuff out of the way. And let's see here. That was the 3 of spades, right? Okay. 3 of spades, 7, 6. If we can whittle this pile all the way down, I will go with that move. Let's see here. That goes there. 4 and... Ooh, boy. That is so close. I'm going to go with it and see what... See, this is the card I want to get down below so we can move this queen and empty that pile. We'll have to see if there's a move here or not. I can't remember all the cards. I'm going to shuffle through. I hope we can move that 3 of hearts because then that would open up some other stuff. We'll see how this goes here. Okay, we get the ace. Going to hold off just a minute here. The 6 of spades, 8 of diamonds, and nothing there. Okay, let's go through again. This time we play the ace. Play the deuce, and that opens us up, which is really good. See, that variation we can't play anymore because we moved the 7 around. But we can play the king variation in just a minute here. Alright, gonna have some cards on the back end here. 3 of clubs will be one of them. There is no 4 of clubs. Trying to figure this out here. 3 of hearts. Okay, that's a good card because that's going to allow us to move some stuff around, which you'll see in just a minute here. And then I can open up this pile right here. I'm going to take the 4 of spades, put it underneath, move the 5 of hearts up top, and put the 5 of diamonds there. If there was a red, I can't remember if it was a red 7 or black 7. Red 7 will go there, I believe. Oh, nice. We can put this up top. Okay, fun continues here. Let's see if we can't solve. That was the red 7 we wanted to move. Let's see what else is here. That's a black 7. So this could go here, and then I could open that up if the king is available. Let's see if that moves there. The king should be available next one. Well, let's see. Do we pull one out? Oh, boy. Oh, no, it's not. Conundrum here. Conundrum, conundrum. Moving this up here makes the king available. But there is no space. Let me see if there's a way to clear this out. Because this king will be available. That's the card we wanted to play there. And nothing there, nothing there. Okay, we're out of moves. Okay, let's go back and see if we can't figure out a different way to solve this here. Alright, let's back it up here. So that was a good spot. This was a good spot. And then the ace. So those were good spots. Now the question was what to do here. That was the move that went up there. Or that was the other variation. In this we could move the 10 and that would clear up the ace of spades. Which I think may be the best play now because the other variation doesn't work. Excuse me. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this 10 up here. Oh, let's see. Let's see what's behind there. Oh, there's an ace behind. Okay. Going to take it on the next play because I want to clear this ace out as well. And that'll allow us more room to operate. And if we can get some of these lower cards up here, we might be able to get this out. We'll see how this variation plays out here. Okay, there's the ace that we want. And we're not going to be able to move the 7. So we're going to back up here. What I'm basically doing is taking this draw pile right here and looking at the next cards and seeing how that affects. One move affects the others. And if you can do that, sometimes you can manipulate better. For the cards here, we can go 3, 4. 3 of hearts is going to be the big one. Not sure that... Oh, I have to play this one first, I believe, because there's a queen under there. Okay, that's a good card. 3 of spades, 4. Let's see here. I gotta use my brain here. This will open up that space. We're going to go back here. And now the fun continues. Oh, nice. 6 of spades. That's a really good card. That 6 of spades right there is a really good card. You're going to see why in just a minute here. Because we can get rid of this queen. We're going to put the king down here. And you're saying, well, how are you going to do that? Well, I'm going to take the 6 of diamonds right here. Move it under the 7 of clubs, the black 7. Putting the 7 of spades right there. Which opens up this to go right here. And that opens up the spot for the queen that we had. It also opens up the spot for the jack. It also opens up the spot for this black queen. It opens up the spot for this red jack. 5 of diamonds can go up top. And let's see. Yeah, I'm going to play it like it is, and you'll see why when it rotates the next time. Okay, we've pretty much just got to figure out how to get these out, and we'll have it solved. The 9 can go, and is there anything under? Oh, the 8 can go next. I'm looking at the next cards always. That's why I'm only playing 1 here. So the 8 can go right here. I'm going to play these cards eventually when there's no other moves. 3 of hearts can go. We're going to move the 3 of hearts up top. Next card is, let's see what I have. 3, oh, so it's a 9 of diamonds. Okay, 9 of diamonds can go. And the last card, I believe, was a 6 of hearts, which we don't want. So we're going to play the rest of these out here. And we pretty much got the solve. It'll just be a second here. Let's go up top. And... oh, it was a 6 of hearts. Okay. And we pretty much solved it. And that's going to wrap this up. This one was a little bit complicated, but the complicated ones are the good ones because you can actually learn from them. If I did an easy one, it'd be kind of boring and no fun. So hopefully I can teach you a trick or two, be able to figure out a way to solve this. That's going to wrap this up, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.